So I have a 2006 Crossfire, and we're having an issue with the tire pressure sensors. So we assumed one of the sensors, or possibly multiple of them, died. The batteries inside died, so the tire pressure light is on in the car. And we end up scanning the sensors. Sensors are actually showing a good battery. And I was trying to figure out where the module is located for these sensors, what reads the sensors in the wheels. And apparently this is the tire pressure sensor module with a home link module built together. So right there it says model home link PSI. So this is what your tire pressure sensor reports to. So if you have the light and the sensors are good, so this could be your issue. So right now I'm going to show you how to remove this, and we're going to replace it. So we're using this type of a tool. I'm going to start picking it from the back. Try to use a plastic one, so that way you're not scratching panels. Okay, so there's two clips over there.
Tutaj tam zaklejmy.
It's kind of tricky, but just take a look at what we're doing. Just lift it up a little bit in the center, and it just slides out. So this is the original one. So this is the original one. Slightly different part number, but a lot of these things, the part numbers won't really matter because it's just a newer year or something like that. But I'm not sure if these things require to be programmed after they're installed. I'll find out. I'll write in the description.